Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So uh, today we're gonna be playing something that I'm getting a lot of requests for, and apparently getting too many requests for it that I just had to do it. So it's called Escape Grandma and Backstabber Obbies. So like, it's kind of like what's this? It's kind of like Granny the game. I don't know. This is not this is not my thing, but I'm just gonna go. Grandma has lost her mind. Let's find a way out. Yeah, she looks like she lost her mind with those 3 teeth and jewel coming on. Oh, meow. There's cats. Hi. There's lava, and she's burning lollipops. Okay, yellow, red, blue, green. I don't like the color pink, so yellow again, and Grandma must have known we were trying to escape. Let's find another way out. Yes, come on. Let's go. Yeah, what are those, flamethrowers? And we're jumping on Grandma's, what are these called? Dentures? Donkey dentures? Yeah, so, yeah. Oh no, it's a maze! I hate mazes. And besides, I hate how, well, I don't necessarily hate this, because this is a weird thing to hate. But I was going to say, I hate how almost every obby you go through a vent. I did it! Yay! Touch the checkpoint. Wow. Grandma. Jeez. This looks like it could be pretty tough. So I'm gonna go into this view. Oh no! By the way, why is Backstabber on your wall? Like, wasn't he the creator of you? Isn't he the one that, like, technically brought you to life? He's the one, right? Okay, let's see if... Actually, I'm about to just... Ah, dang it. Don't worry, I will complete it. Dang it. I'm only like 5 minutes into this. I'm only like 5 minutes into this video, and I'm trying to get... No! Oh, dang it! Come on! You don't have to be frustrated because at least you get a second chance. couldn't record longer. And the stupid pants are annoying. Don't worry. I have played this game in my spare time, and I have actually beaten it, but never done it like on actual camera. Grandma, you're so good at knitting. Okay, I'm gonna go. Why do you keep doing this? Okay. Just stop. Look, Packstabber is even worried about me. Why can't I get past this level? This is really frustrating. Pause it in 3, 2, 1.